Good morning. Have you heard about the profession social work?
Yes.
What comes to your mind when you hear the word social work?
Ano, specifically sa DSWD, pero kung isipin mo naman in broad-minded, ano siya, considered na yung iba't ibang work sa society natin.
What is your knowledge about social work?
More on kasi yung naririnig ko, more on sila sa paperwork, sa mga sa mga babasahin, ganun.
What do you think social work does in our society?
Siguro, they provide, yung cleanliness sa atin, the same time yung peace and order sa ating community.
Given the chance, are you willing to study the profession social work?
Pwede na.
Why?
Hindi, kung dedicated ako sa country ko, kung gusto kong mag-serve sa country ko, willing ako na study siya.